The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety evaluated the 2025 Tesla Model 3 in its newest crash program, and the results show clear strengths along with a focused area to improve. In the updated moderate overlap front test, the Model 3 earned an overall rating of acceptable because the rear seat dummy recorded higher chest forces. Everything in the front looks strong, with structure, airbags, and belt performance for the driver, all rated good. Side impact protection stood out. In the tougher and higher energy side test, the Model 3 achieved a good overall result, and the rear passenger measures were also good. The driver torso and pelvis were rated acceptable, which still signals solid protection in a severe side strike. Active safety technology performed well. The Model 3 earned good in vehicle-to-vehicle collision, avoidance version 2.0, and in pedestrian crash prevention across multiple speeds and scenarios. Headlights were rated acceptable across trims, which means night visibility is decent, but not top tier. Seatbelt reminders were marked, marginal, and the Lower Anchors and Tethers for Children system received an acceptable for ease of use. Altogether, this is a safe, small luxury sedan with excellent crash structure and strong avoidance technology, plus a clear to-do around rear seatbelt tuning. For shoppers, the takeaway is straightforward. Front occupant protection and side protection look excellent, and the driver assistance features perform well in standardized tests. Families who carry passengers in the back should pay close attention to belt fit and positioning, since the updated moderate overlap test now places more weight on backseat protection than before. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our newest tests and explainers.